When buying a Muratec, you get reliability, you get the service and support from Matsuura that is well known and second to none in the UK.
The Muratec, they are bomb-proof machines. Apparently, there's more Muratec turning centres in automotive throughout the world than any other CNC machine.
Matsuura are a great company to deal with. The support is fantastic and the machines are bulletproof.
Here at LMS we specialise in subcontract machining, high quality, we run some cracking machines. Well, we replaced 3 older machines. We've been running this technology for over 20 years, so twin spindle, twin turret, magazine bar feeds. Those machines were great, but they were just getting a bit older, and we've got more capacity on these machines, these 2, than we had on the 3 because we've added the gantry loader to the larger machine.
Matsuura historically have seen first-tier suppliers and OEMs taking these type of machines from us, but more and more now we're finding subcontractors coming to us who are looking for the flexibility that a bar-fed machine gives them, but also the gantry loader for loading and unloading larger parts up to, with this machine, around 140 mil.
Basically, the one machine goes up to 50 millimetres, the other machine's got the capability to go up to 80 millimetres. All that they're going to do for us really is to achieve unmanned running now. I mean, as you know, skilled staff are hard to get, so we need things that are going to run on their own.
What you can't do on here isn't worth doing, you know. We can mill, we can turn bar up to 80 mil or feed bar up to 80 mil. We can unload in the gantry or take out through the conveyor and into the output table, or you can unload from the gantry into the stacker. It's just unlimited, you know. We use all the Heimbach quick change equipment on here, so we can take a collet head off the main spindle and put a 3-jaw chucking system on in 5 minutes. It's just unreal.
So the Muratec has a lot of power. We have 14 kilowatts on the driven tools. We have a large Y-axis which is running off both turrets, so 40 mil plus or minus on both turrets, upper and lower. And we have 15 stations on the upper turret, 12 stations on the lower with half indexing capabilities as well. And this is so good for a subcontractor because ultimately he can run parts unmanned, less operator dependency, and be able to finish parts complete in one hit.
Really impressed us is how many tools we can get on the turrets. I mean, we've got 15 stations on a couple of the turrets. We've geared them up with MT tool holders, so on one single station we can have 3 tools. It just means that we can leave the tools in, there's no setting, and then the quick release collet systems as well just make it so much quicker as well. The changeover times are probably half of what we've seen on previous machines. From these to the sliding head machines, you really can't compare. The sliding head machines, we do much, much smaller work. Obviously the tolerance you can keep on sliding head is better because you've got the support at the guide bush. But these for a fixed head machine are absolutely fantastic.
We've run Matsuura machining centres for 20 odd years. They're a great company, always great backup and service, and we knew that this product that they supply would get the same backup and service. You know, if we've got a problem, they're on the case. I feel they put themselves out for us, but they probably don't. That's probably the service that they give to everyone. They're just a fantastic company.
So Matsuura are growing this brand. Anyone who's used Muratec know they're very capable machines, Japanese built, and now at Matsuura we're growing this year on year, bringing more into stock and looking to supply into the UK.